Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo home security system. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. So the first thing we have is the keypad hub. Okay. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit. So the hub itself has all the buttons that you would expect a keypad hub to have. So basically the hub itself can sense motion and notify emergency services. Alright, so just to kind of go over these buttons. This is arm away, arm home, standby, and the panic button. Alright, these next three buttons, you will need to have a paid subscription to be able to have access to them. And these three buttons have to do with emergency services. Fire, police, medical. Alright, let's flip this over. Of course, this is corded and it plugs into the wall. Okay. Alright, so that's that. And next, we're going to grab the sensor. Alright, so it comes with two of these sensors. They're called all-in-ones. They mount to doors and windows, and they have 8 different functions, which is motion detection, open and close access, which has to do with them being mounted to windows and doors, can detect water leak, can detect freezing, can detect tilting action, can detect ambient lighting, and they also serve as smoke alarms and CO alarms. There you go. And then we'll flip them on the back. How you mount them. You can see there's a little sticker on here to mount them. So, and next video, I'll show you how to mount them. Alright, let's see what else is in this box. There's the other sensor. And, let's get this out of here. So, alright, here's all the manual and stuff like that. So we got the Arlo safety sticker. Put on your window. We got the Arlo safety and compliance information. We got the quick start guide. And we got the quick reference guide. Alright, there's the plug for the keypad hub. And here's screws if you need to mount anything. If you need to mount the sensors, very nice. If you need to mount the sensors, you got a backing plate and then a screw and an anchor. So very nice. And let me see. And that That looks like that is used to mount the sensor. Yep. Nice. All right, and that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else in the box. All right, guys. So stay tuned for part 2 of this series, where I will cover and teach you how to set up and arm this home security system using the Arlo app. Thank you very much.